Hi guys, All Things Lego here. So after I did some coding, I finally came up with this. It houses 2 motors, 1 NXT brick, 1 Rubik's cube, and as this is V1, it isn't very complicated. I might make one that can solve anything that is scrambled, but this one for right now is just pretty simple, and pretty much anyone can build it. So let's click on the silver icon and do this. Okay, so as you can see, that is pretty cool. I spent about 2 days designing this with my technique spin, and yeah, this took me quite a while actually to get this drawer spinning the right way. And then as you can see, the Rubik's cube is fully solved, and then once it is fully solved, as you can see, this thing it spins to show it off. And yeah, I might release building instructions for this, and maybe I'll release the code too, who knows. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.